Hi guys, welcome to the Focus Android YouTube channel. Do you also find YouTube subtitles annoying when they block the videos? Well, here is how to change the subtitle size. First, we open the YouTube application, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the settings button in the top right corner, then scroll down to the video and audio preference, then select caption. Next, select caption size and style. In the caption size and style section, first you can change the text size. There are options starting from very small, which is the smallest, then small, normal, large, and very large. You can choose small or very small because I think the size is not too disturbing when we are watching the video on YouTube. Apart from that, you can also change the caption style of the text. I hope this video helps and see you again in the next video.